Hi guys, just got my original Amiga 1000 up and running finally out of storage, and was reminiscing about all the old sounds it used to make, and figure I'd share it with you guys. So basically, I have the original Amiga 1000. The only modifications that it has, I put a 68010 on it years ago to give a whopping, I think, 5 or 6% increase in speed. Fully compatible. It has a 60 meg SCSI external hard drive that you can see the box right above the Amiga 1000. It's got the original Amiga 1080 monitor, and the sidecars, you have the SCSI controller and two 2 meg fast RAM boards, and of course there's the floppy, the best joystick I ever made, right up there, that I still have for my 64 as well. And that's basically it. You know, she held up really well. I just gave her a quick dusting and you know, freed up a few keys here that were kind of sticky, but other than that, you know, after a little bit of fiddling with the SCSI drive, she booted up fine. And here she is. So now I was just, I had one of my faves, D&D Eye of the Beholder, the Chirk, I think, 1989. And I was installing it on the hard drive. So I'm going to let you listen to the beautiful music. There's a screen, it says hard disk installation, obviously. Insert this too. And that's what I'm going to do right here. Inserting this too into the F1. Oh, gotta take out the. There it is. Listen, I'll let you listen to the noises, because it really brought me back. Well, let me tell you, with all this talk nowadays of quiet computing and SSD drives, and nobody wants to hear a noise, you know, booting my Amiga 1000 up, let me tell you, sounds like music to me. I'm sure some of you old school Amigans agree. So, anyhow, I'm sure to put up a few more vids of my desk. Oh, look at this. Read right there on one of the discs. Time to look into some more fun there. But anyhow, I'll let you guys go. I'll give you a quick preview. Let's see if some of you guys know what that is there. This, work in progress. And that, work in progress. So, lots of fun here in my little man cave. Catch you guys soon.